Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer training datasets into SageMaker from S3, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer training datasets into SageMaker from S3, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon S3 service. Locate the bucket that contains your training datasets. Click on the bucket to open it. Find the folder or files you want to transfer. Select the dataset files that you wish to use for training. Note the S3 path for each dataset file. Next, open the Amazon SageMaker service in another tab. In SageMaker, select Notebook Instances from the sidebar. If you haven't created a notebook instance yet, click Create Notebook Instance. Fill in the required fields such as name and instance type. Under Permissions and Encryption, ensure you select an appropriate IAM role that has access to S3. Click Create Notebook Instance to launch it. Once the notebook instance is running, click on Open Jupyter to access the Jupyter environment. In Jupyter, create a new Python 3 notebook. Import the necessary libraries, including Boto 3, to access S3. Start by initializing a session with the AWS SDK using Boto 3. Use Boto 3 to reference your S3 bucket. For each dataset file, create a copy command to transfer it to your SageMaker environment. Make sure to specify the local directory in SageMaker where you want to store the dataset. Run the commands to download the files. Verify that the datasets are in the specified local directory. Once the transfer is complete, you can start using the datasets for your training jobs. Remember to keep your notebook organized for future reference. That's it. You have successfully transferred your training datasets into SageMaker from S3. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.